Gian. I am the co-founder at CogniX, and today I want to show what we are doing with it. This is the UI, similar to ChatGPT, and also the behavior is pretty similar, with the difference that now a user can ask question about the organization knowledge and his private knowledge. We have connectors. Every user can create different connectors at organizational level. Imagine Slack, Teams, Google Drive, or private level like the work email. The UI just came out of the design, and we are going to connect the API. The API are written in Go, and they are already ready, working, and also tested. We have a full set of tests. Now let's jump back for a second to the UI. The user asks a question, explain rooted event in WPF. The question goes to the API invokes our AI service, which now is not connected to the UI, but I can show you directly into the AI service. Here is the question, explain rooted event in WPF. The question becomes a query for the vector database that we create the embeddings and we send the query to the vector database. The vector database returns some information because it's already filled with a book about WPF. The content, the user question, and a prompt goes to the LLM, which generates a question, which in this case is exactly what I would have expected. CogniX is already deployed in a Kubernetes cluster running in Azure. We have observability in place, we have CI/CD for both client and service, which means that every PR approved to the main branch is directly deployed to the cluster. We are working on documentation, we have already the custom LLM inference server. We can connect to OpenAI API service like or to a private LLM. What you have seen so far is almost ready. We are going to be generally available in a couple of months. What we want to develop is an AI engine capable of doing a approval process. Imagine a classic refund process where the agent will be prompted with a probability for the case to be refunded, reasoning and evidence. Content recommendation and AI-driven chatbot. Imagine the chatbot for a marketplace where the user can go and ask recommendations, suggestion, compliance and review. Imagine reviewing the conversation of a support call to understand if there were problems or not, or the approval for a loan. Developer tools. Imagine a software house where the developers, the engineer, can ask for a piece of code with the same standard and with the same patterns used in the company. This is what we want to do.